Hello, I am Sriranga Bapat from Bapat Classes. In this video, I will explain basic proportionality theorem. In this video, I have used theorem of areas of two triangles and its two corollaries. So before watching this video, please watch previous videos in our similarity video series. Basic proportionality theorem. If a line parallel to one side of triangle intersects the remaining sides in two distinct points, then the line divides the sides in the same proportion. Now we'll prove basic proportionality theorem. Given in triangle ABC, A dash P dash B and A dash Q dash C such that PQ is parallel to BC. To prove that AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. Construction. Join BQ and CP. Triangle APQ and BPQ have common height corresponding to their bases AP and BP respectively. Therefore, area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle BPQ is equal to AP upon PB. The ratio of areas of two triangles with same height is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases.
Triangles APQ and CQP have common height, corresponding to their bases AQ and QC, respectively. The ratio of area of triangle APQ to the area of triangle CQP is equal to AQs to QC. The ratio of areas of two triangles with same height is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases.
We know that the distance between parallel lines is constant. As PQ is parallel to BC, triangle BPQ and triangle CQP have equal heights corresponding to their common base PQ. Therefore, area of triangle BPQ equal to area of triangle CQP. Reason: triangles of equal bases and equal heights have same area. Area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle BPQ is equal to AP upon PB. Proved. Area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle CQP is equal to AQ upon QC. Proved. But area of triangle CPQ is equal to area of triangle BPQ also proved. Therefore, by substituting area of triangle CQP equal to area of triangle BPQ in equation number 2, we get area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle BPQ is equal to AQ upon QC. From 1 and 4, area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle BPQ is equal to AP upon PB equal to AQ upon QC. And therefore, AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. We have proved that AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. By using componendo, dividendo and invertendo properties, we can also prove that PB upon AP ratio is equal to QC upon AQ, AP upon AB is equal to AQ upon AC, AB upon AP is equal to AC upon AQ, PB upon AB is equal to QC upon AC, and AB upon PB is equal to AC upon QC. Let us recap what we have done till now. The ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. Triangles of equal heights have areas proportional to their corresponding bases. Triangles of equal bases have areas proportional to their corresponding heights. Triangles with equal bases and equal heights have same area. When two triangles stand on the same base and lie between the same pair of parallel lines, then they have same area. Median of a triangle divides triangle in two parts of equal areas. Basic proportionality theorem. If a line parallel to one side of triangle intersects the remaining sides in two distinct points, then the line divides the sides in the same proportion. Thanks for watching this video. In the next video, I will explain property of an angle bisector of a triangle.